Hi, Kerry Crossman here. I'm sitting in Ronnie's clinic today, working out our business plan and how I can step into the future to focus and improve my business with great intent. And of course, I'm so excited to learn and be empowered by the tools that I have to be able to share with the beautiful people and souls.
So Kerry, right at the moment, how are you feeling?
Oh, nervous, scared, and excited at the same time.
Good on you. So
Lots of adrenaline.
given her heaps of information already. We've been here maybe, I don't know, 20 minutes, half an hour?
Yeah.
And she's like, uh-oh, here we go. So, good on you, Kerry. Looking forward to taking you through for the 5 days.
Oh, fantastic, and I'm enjoying the ride to be walking alongside of you.
And you're staying here too, aren't you?
Oh yes, I enjoy the company too.
All right.
Great hospitality.
Okay, cheers everyone. Catch you at the
Bye.
end. Bye.